Hi, today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your key fob for your keyless entry for your I got a 2016 Toyota Corolla, so this one you can still use even though it has run out of battery. So first thing you do is this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery for my Toyota Corolla 2016. So first you have to push the button here to release the key. There you go, and then you can use this key. There you go. You can use this key to open this key fob, to pop it open. And then yeah, just set aside this one and then just flip it so that you can see the mechanism. So this one is so this is the model of the coin battery CR2032. So I just grabbed one and I bought 4 because it saves me 1 battery, so it cost me 3 plus 1. And then just get a screwdriver just to remove. Just be careful guys not to mess up your key fob. There you go. So just simply remove that one and then get the new one. That's it. And then just place it back. How do you remove it and then place it back? That's it. That's how simple you place your battery for your key fob. Then just put it back. Thank you for watching. Bye. Peace.